In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Spotify playlist in your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the website editor. Before adding the playlist to your site, open Spotify in a new tab and find the playlist you want to embed. Click the three dots next to the playlist, select Share, then choose Copy Embed Code or Copy Embed iframe depending on the option available. Now return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, locate the Embed Code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements. Drag the Embed Code element onto your page where you want the playlist to appear. Click the element, select Edit Custom HTML and paste the Spotify embed code into the editor. Close the editor to preview the playlist. If needed, resize the embed area so the playlist fits nicely within your page layout. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to save your changes and make the Spotify playlist live on your website. That's how to embed a Spotify playlist in Weebly. Thanks for watching.